As I came in too, even in the Gulch area, there was some slick roads. I will say that. Murfreesboro Pike looked pretty good though coming into the station. Now our Walker Chevrolet camera in Franklin showing 23 degrees. Notice these roads look to be okay and passable, but remember, it's the side streets, it's the parking lots, it's the back roads that are still unplowed and pretty slick. So be careful, and if you don't have to drive, just don't do it. Snow coming down in Franklin, but could be turning over to some sleet as well as you look right here, that was our Williamson County Chevrolet camera. Now this is our Dr. Ethan Kellum Regenerative Solutions camera in Dixon. Sorry, that's a mouthful. But you can see right now in Dixon, we're starting to see that flip over from snow even into some sleet. And we're actually seeing freezing rain forming now, unfortunately, for our friends down in Wayne and Lawrence County. Now, the snow is coming down with intensity along I-40 and to the north, still snowing pretty good. So that's where the highest totals will be. But to the south, your total's getting cut because you are getting into an icing event now. In fact, the mesoscale discussion shows freezing rain threat where ice accumulation could be at least at 1/4 of an inch or up to 1/4 of an inch an hour, which is not good as that warmer air aloft noses on in. And we're already seeing a lot of sleet. As you can see, the bright yellow banding indicating where the ice pellets are coming from the sky. Remember, sleet has a beat. If it starts to ping off your windshield or on the ground, that is the sleet coming on down. Now, I want to talk about the bigger picture because this is a long duration event. This is all filling in now and pushing our way. And then we're going to see maybe a little bit of lightning, and then on the backside, some more will fill in. So here's the future tracker. The latest thinking is the pink will slide up to the I-40 corridor later this afternoon. By this evening, it's up to the Kentucky-Tennessee state line. So everyone's seeing an icing event starting to unfold overnight. There could even be a warmer nose where some cold rain could form south and east, but to the north and west, unfortunately, it's sleet and freezing rain, and that trend continues well into Sunday morning and even till about lunchtime. This is as the low pressure center gets very close to us, and then behind it, temperatures crash. So anything we do see will be sticking around as dangerous cold will follow. So in terms of the icing amounts, look at this area in red here. You really have to be prepared. 1/2 inch to 3/4 inch plus. Now the question, up to 1/2 inch around Nashville and areas to the north, as you can see in that purple color. Now, with 1/2 inch of ice or greater, travel becomes nearly impossible. We have extensive tree damage and widespread power outages are likely, and those outages could last for a few days, if not more.